What's going on, YouTube? I do not feel like vlogging today. Yesterday, I think today's worse. I think it's because of the rain. I'm not sure. But I didn't really force myself to be out here, but I pushed myself because I was like, I gotta keep going. Even though I haven't lost any weight yet. It's been 5 days. It really is about progress. Like, I want to see some numbers. I wish I could update you guys, be like, I lost 5 pounds, be in a good mood, but there's nothing really to be excited about, Anyway, let's get going. It's the same boring old vlog. My pants are falling off. I don't know if it's because my waistline went down or what, but it stormed yesterday. Could be the weather. I want to be like that guy. Just running the whole time. He looks like he's in shape. I gotta run to the bathroom. The bathroom is open. So, just as boring as it is here, just every like, I tell myself, I don't know, like when I get here, I'm like, oh, this is the same old thing. But then when I'm running, I'm like, oh, this is kind of fun, actually. I really do hope it's possible to lose weight on Invega, because it's an antipsychotic and helps me focus, clears my head, but it does make you gain weight. So I'm wondering if exercise will still help me lose weight, or if I'm just stuck at 265 for the rest of my life. I really hope not. I am oxygenated faster, catching my breath quicker. Like, I'm ready to start running again. One lap is done. It's not as hot out today, so I'm not sweating. And I hope on my second lap I break a sweat, because that's my goal. I just want to live longer, Obviously, I want to have something to show for it. Like, I don't want to have this gut, which I'll show you right now. I'll put my camera on the bench and show you my gut. Because I don't want, like, in the future when I'm showing off my abs, be like, oh, he never did this before. I'm going to show you the bad side too, just so you have a comparison. All right, one more lap. There's this thing that says whenever you start something new, there's uninformed optimism. You think of all the accolades, the rewards, all this shit that goes with it, you think you're gonna get. But